As school attendance around the country continues to grow, many schools have had to add portable classrooms. At the same time, they've been moving to access control systems that allow them to fully control their entire campus, including the ability to lock down in an emergency. Now, this creates a big problem when it comes to wiring.
So as far as getting to the kindergarten building, we have a breezeway that we could run conduit, but what a pain. As far as the portables, the only way to get there, I think, would be to bore under the drive or the parking lot. Really, that's just not even an option. So 5 units here. There's 3 that are in this kindergarten building just to the west of us, and then 2 for the portables that are to the north. So, I mean, you're saving us tens of thousands extra man hours, and even just getting bids, reaching out to companies. Just the time alone that is saved has paid for itself. Time over.